enough to hear the music from a country church that was sitting on the edge of town. They were singing, what a fellowship, what a joy divine, leaning on the everlasting arms. What a blessedness, what a peace is mine, leaning on the everlasting arms. From the moment that I stepped inside that little country church, I felt a warmth I never felt before.
And the glow of shining faces I couldn't understand, but it started something knocking at my door.
Well, the parson wasn't talking about religion that day, 'cause his sermon hit my conscience like a knife.
It was a heart-to-heart experience with God himself that changed the whole complexion of my life.
Singing, power, power, wonder-working power in the blood of the Lamb. There was power, power, wonder-working power in the precious blood of the Lamb. Now I'm driving up the valley feeling lighter than air. I can hardly keep her under 55, 'cause I got a taste of heaven in a country church where the folks are really coming alive. Something happened in that meeting on the edge of town, and it really, really blew my mind, 'cause it changed the whole complexion of my broken dreams. It's the closest thing to heaven I can find. I'm singing, what a fellowship, what a joy divine, leaning on the everlasting arms. What a blessedness, what a peace is mine, leaning on the everlasting arms. Leaning, safe and secure from